10, 20, 30, 40. Good morning everyone. So, the class 5, lesson number 5 I am telling, that is animal concern. So, yesterday we have learned caring, puma, and after that dolphin saves life and endangerous animals we have learned. So, here a caring puma, how she had cared about Daniel Olin. So, he was 11 years old when he went from his village. So, that is Edmonton from Toronto to in Canada. When he went, so he was so feeling bad. Then what he did? So, he was missing his old friends. So, he did not like his parents. He was started hating her parents. So, after that a few days he was ran away from the home. So, he was running he was so much of running. He got injured there with the rock. Then he fell down and he was broken his ankle. So, here a caring puma has came and take care about him. The parents came, then he taken the Daniel. So, here this was a caring puma. Next dolphin also like that only has become about dolphin also. Adam, he is the friends, they went for the tour. For the dolphin also came and attacked him. But also it has saved, just he got hit by dolphin, not more and more. Okay, just he got some injuries. Okay, like that also dolphin also saved one of the Adam's life. Next, endangerous animal means there is no caring of animals. The human beings are not at all caring the animals. The animals are dying nowadays. The animals are not at all, they are not giving value. Every animal is dying nowadays. So, he gave example of dinosaurs. Okay, the dinosaurs just we have nowadays, just we know the name of dinosaurs, but we don't know how dinosaur is there. So, like that only some animals like elephant also they are killing. Elephant, monkeys, gorillas, some animals they are killing without any fish. So, they don't have any daya lekunda champestunnaru. So, concurrent means also daya only. So, here animals ki daya lekunda cheyadam. Animals paina daya chuhinchatledu. So, the page number 22 I am starting. They lost their habitat. So, they lost their habitat. Habitat means where they live. So, they also lost that one. So, which means that there is nowhere for them to live. For example, many animals make their home in the rainforest that begins to cut down. Once all the trees are gone, there will be nowhere for these animals to live. So, they will die. So, what he is telling here, so they are losing, ante vallu loss avutunnaru, they are losing to be in one place. They are losing to be one place because everywhere they are cutting the trees. Mottam chetlani prati okati adavilanu narakestunnaru. So, they are cutting off the trees. So, there is no, the rain, whatever it may be, the animals are living. So, if there is no trees, they will cut like this only, they will through like this only going on. Once there will be no animal in the forest also, there will no animals for looking for us also. So, here now where for these animals to live, there is no place to live for any animal. So, they will die. So, if there is no certain place to live for animals, if how they will be, they will not be. If we don't have shelter, we will live? No, we cannot live, because without shelter there is no human beings or animals, whatever it may be, we cannot live. Because if the shelter is there, if the certain food is there, if we have a nice living position, then only we can live. If not, we cannot live. So, like that only the animals also, if they have shelter, if they have food, they will live. If not, they will be died here. So, here elephant he has given showing here for us. In the picture he is showing the elephant. Some animals like chimpanzees becoming extinct because people kill them to eat them. So, here chimpanzees they are becoming extinct. So, here also chimpanzees also becoming very less. Why? Because they are eating. They are here in the paragraph became people because people kill them and eat them. So, here in this paragraph they are telling the chimpanzees also they are killing and eating the chimpanzees. Animals are taken from the wild and sent to circus and zoos, leaving fewer animals in the nature to carry on the spices. So here they are sending the animals for the zoos. So in the zoo also there is no certain food, no nice living of the animals. I have also seen the zoo. There is no food for them. So many animals are dying in the zoos. So the zoo life is also not at all good. Only few animals. When I am in the 10th class, I saw so many of animals there living. Elephant, crocodiles, chimpanzees, whatever it may be. All the animals I have seen. Recently I went. 5 years back I went. There is no animal. Just a few crocodiles, one elephant, and some there animals I have been seeing. So now see how much the generation has gone up and how the animals are dying because of there is no food, there is no shelter for them, there is no care of the animals. Some people shoot animals for fun. This is called big game hunting, and if enough animals are killed in this way, some animals could become extinct. Elephants are taken from the wild and forced to drag heavy machines to help people cut down forest. This is called logging. So here elephants are mostly they are using, in the pictures also we will see most of the elephants they will use for carrying the loads. అంటే ఎక్కువ బరువు ఉంటాయి చెక్కలు పెద్ద చెక్కల్ని కట్ చేయడానికి అవి తీసుకొచ్చి లారీలో పెట్టడానికి ఎలిఫెంట్స్ని మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ దే విల్ యూజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫారెస్ట్. సో హీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ the big game hunter. So nowadays some of the animals also they are hunting ante champadam jeeringani, previous some heroes has killed the deers. That is not good habits. Deer is a very it is a national animal. So deer also it is a very good animal. They are hunting the poor animals. So we should not hunt the animals. Mooga jeevanasulanu asale manamu champaroddu, hani cheyoddu. Always we will tell that one. So now also I am telling that for you, that is save the animals. How you are saving our environment and our lives as well as our nature. Like that only we should save the animals also to be our world with a colorful anything, maybe to see our colorful, it may be to see our surroundings very beautiful. We must have animals also there to look it. So now this is called logging, he is telling. So animals which help for the which animals will help. Elephant will help the animal. Elephant, one of the animal, it will help for machine cutting of a big woods. So that is called logging. So here I have been completed the lesson number 5, animal component concept. I have been completed. So now we will move to the summative and formative assessment. So why? Because I am moving here because the lesson has been completed. So here the what is mean by save the animals. We will write here always save the plants, save the children, save the girls. Now I am writing save the animals. Okay, save the animals. Here I wrote for you. So now this has been completed. Now I will go to summative assessment. Okay. So this is the page number 22. Summative assessment and formative assessment. The page number 22. First one, the old man had not eaten properly for a day. The cold weather or hunger made him feel para one, miserable. The first one is miserable. Miserable. The second one is even after being a shot through the heart, the bandit dashed for somewhat, staggered. But sometimes he walked a few steps with the difficult before falling flat on the parachute. Staggered. Whimper. The child was sleeping peacefully in the cradle but began to whimper as soon as he woke up. His mother heard his soft cry and crushed to his side. This is a para 3. Next, Ariu was sure that as unknown person has been dash stalking him every day when he walked back home from office. At times he felt that he was being followed. Sometimes animals become dash precocious if humans try to near their babies. They make attack too and causes harm. The children were playing happily in the swimming pool and were splashing water on each other. From time to time some water spilled out of the pool. So here I have read the overall and now I will write whimper. Whimper. The third one is, fourth one is stalking, sphericus, splashing. These are the 5. These are the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6. Choose the words that is mentioned in the paragraph that is filled with the blanks. Okay. So now I am rubbing this one. Next I will continue another bit also. So one more is there, children, sorry. That is Jeevan. The man was seriously dashed and needed immediately help. Blood was pouring out from the wounded. This is the Jeevan, last one, wounded. So this one has been completed. Bit number 1, this is Jeevan. So now I will go to the bit number 2. Bit number 2. So complete the sentences based on your understanding of the test. So what is telling based on the understanding on your test. So here he given Daniel was miserable in Toronto because he was miserable. Why? Because he don't like his school and his new friends. Very good. Daniel could not move from his position in ground because he had a broken ankle. Very good. To keep the boy awake, the puma pressed his muzzle. Again, Daniel and rocked his head gently. To keep the boy away of puma pressed his muzzle against Daniel and rocked his head gently. The shark attacked Adams by taking a huge chunk out of Adams' surfboard and knocking him into the water. So here A, B, C, D I have given. I will write now on the blackboard. First one, he did not like his new school and had no friends. B1, he had a broken ankle. Broken ankle. C1, pressed his muzzle against Daniel and rocked his head gently. The shark attacked Adams by taking a huge chunk out of Adams' surfboard and knocking him to the water. These are the 4. These are the A, B, C, D. Bit number 2 it is complete the sentences based on your understanding of the test. This is the second bit. He did not like his new school and his no friends. He had broken ankle, pressed his muzzle against Daniel and rocked his head gently, taking a huge chunk out of Adam's surface board and knocking him into water. These are the bit number 2. Next there is answer the following questions. What was important of for Daniel? Not to fall asleep when he was hurt. Why do you think the puma ran away from the hear the sound of human voice? What made the boy swimming in the Pacific Ocean becomes worried at first? So these are the 3 question answers that he given. So you complete the answers. Okay. Think and write the answers. I have explained, as well as you also go through the lesson and write the question answers. Next, match the words with their meanings. Here he given match the words. Match the following he given with the words and meanings. Here meanings the words they should match with meaning and word. Bit number 4. Meaning and word. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So here walk unsteadily, cry or whine, hunt, frizzy, eat greedily, large piece, chunk, precocious, devour, stagger, whimper, stop. So with these meaning and words we should write the answers. First one is D, that is stagger. D. Second one is E, that is whimper. E. Third one is F, stop. F. Fourth one is B, precocious. Fifth one is devour. C. The last one is chunk, that is A. So here D, E, A, F, B, A, B, C, A are the match the following. D, E, F, B, C, A are the right answers. Now moving to the fifth bit. Now moving to the fifth bit. Moving towards the fifth bit. So what is fifth bit? Choose words from the paragraph mentioned to fill in the blank spaces. So here he is asking to fill the blanks. First one is animals who are like to die out a few years time are said to be endangered. A one is endangered animals. Second one, B one is threatened. C1 is habitat. So once I will repeat this one. Endangered, threatened, habitat. So once I will repeat the question and answer. Animals who are like to die out in a few years time are said to be endangered, and the kidnappers threatened to kill the child if the parents reported to the police. The natural habitat of reptiles is land, but there is no reptiles that live in water. So here we have completed the fifth one. Sixth one mentioned 4 ways in which human activity describe animals' life. He is telling you describe this one. Here say aloudly. He is telling some words. Drop, drum, dream, cranky, draft, drink, drab, droop, drum, address, drunk, druck, drill, drift, quadruple. So here some say loudly also. 7th bit complete. Speak with ease. He is telling. Again conversation skill has given. Conversation means already I told you. It is a topic to discuss about two members. Both of two members. So first one is that they pretended animal. The human activities are cause major problems to animals. To these animals, how can these activities be changed or supported? So here we will go through now hard. So hard questions you repeat once. So now I will go to the grammar part. So this is a summative assessment I have been completed. Now I will go through the grammar part. Prepositions. What is grammar part? Now in the first what have we learned? First we have learned noun, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs. Now going to prepositions. What are prepositions? In, out, at, where, that, about, it. These are the prepositions. So use prepositions at, in, or on the fill in the blanks. So she works dash Nagapur. The book is dash my desk. He saw them dash the bus stop. I left my pencil box dash in. So again, once again I will repeat. She works in. It means she will work in the Nagpur. The book is on the table. On the table, on the desk, on my desk. We saw them at the bus stop. I left my pencil box in school. In school I have left. Here, in will come. I sat on my bed and wrote a letter. Sat on. I saw Pooja at a birthday party. He had seen at the birthday party. There was a lot of water on the floor. I put milk in the fridge. So here, where we want, we will use the prepositions. So first A bit is in, B1 is on, C1 is at, D1 is in, E1 is on, F1 is at, G1 is on, H1 is in. So in, on, at, in, on, at, on, in are the prepositions that we have completed this. Next, use the preposition giving in the text box in the fill in the blanks. You can use the same words more than once. To, from, with, at, for, in, about. She suffers dash diabetes. From diabetes. I often listen dash the radio while driving. To the radio while driving. She has applied for a new job. Why are you shouting at me? I have not done any wrong. Who does this book belongs to? Whose does this book belongs to? She complained about the food to the manager. He spent a lot of time at his work. He apologizes for began late. He apologized for began late. Her teacher was happy about her progress. The book will be translated to Hindi. So this is the bit number 1. This is bit number 1. Again bit number 2 here I will mention you. The first one is from. Second one to. Third one is for. Fourth one at. Fifth one to. Sixth one. Here he given ABCD options. I will write ABCD options only. You will be confused. In the classes only you will be confused. If I write 1, 2, 3. This is the big of my headache. A1 is from. B1 is to. C1 is for. D1 is at. E1 is to. F1 is about. G1 is at. H1 is for. I1 is about. J1 is to. So here from, to, for, at, to, about, for, at, for, about, to are the prepositions that I have repeated you. This is a match the paras column A to B. He is asking to match the columns from A to B. A nunchi B ki match cheyamani cheptunnaru. He is asking to match this. So these are the prepositions I have been completed for you. Now I will match the sentences. He is tired. There is something wrong. The situation is similar. He is very different. I am very surprised. Mohan is interested. He spent over ₹1,000. The bag was full. To the one we have shown before, from his brother, of money, of working on Sundays, on the new suits, in photographer, at the choice of food with my computer. So here 1, 2, 3, bit number 3, this is page number 25. Here 8 he given 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 he tired. First one is D, H, A, B, G, F, E, C. So here first I will write this one and I will tell you. He is tired of working on Sundays. There is something wrong with my computer. The situation is similar to the one we saw before. He is very different from his brother. I am very surprised at her choice of word. Mohan is interested in photographer. He spent over ₹1,000 on his new suit. The bag was full of money. So these are the options that I have written on the blackboard. So we have completed the grammar part, preposition as well as column AB. So this is last prepositional paras are there. So try this as homework for you. I am giving a small homework, page number 26. This is the homework for you. Do on your own, okay? Do on your own in textbook, in TB. So children's, whatever I am saying, don't take easily. So preposition, adverb, noun, I given you previous classes notes for you. So once go through for that and please go through that. Everyone go through the verbs, adverbs, because in the future it is more important for the 6th. From 6th onwards grammar is more important. More. We will get 70 marks of paper. We will get grammar part, 30 marks part only we will get the question answer. That also we can write on our own when we listen the lesson properly and clearly. So thank you very much children to listen my lesson, whatever I am telling you with their pleasures. Okay, thank you children, thank you very much.